I'm not forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven called me his own. He's not just seated upon the throne. I know he's right here inside of my home. I've got a treasure here in my heart, and in my weakness it won't depart. I have a Savior who will abide. He's not just with me, he lives inside. Just go ask Daniel if our God will bring you out, and he will testify. He shuts the lion's mouth. Go ask those Hebrew boys if he'll stick by your side. They will identify. There's another in the fire. He shut the mouth of the lion. I'll ask those Hebrew boys if he'll stick by your side. They will identify. There's another in the fire. Search the earth below. If I make my bed in hell, no matter where I go, where can I run from his spirit? Where can I go from his presence? Even in the deepest depths, no matter where I go.
DJ Kribo on the decks. Good morning, good morning. Chad, good morning, baby. Oh, just wanna Kigi.
Oh, Chad, what's going on? Got the big man back in the building.
DJ Cribs.
Straight back, right in time. Just finished his set at Caprice for the morning shift.
Cribby bringing the drizzy. Cribble the drizzle. Chad, how's everyone doing? Everyone good? Why do I feel the spirit of heaviness on you guys? Nizam, I hope Aminas did convey my message. Do apologize for not getting back to you. After we were down in Musenberg, we quickly had a bite to eat there at I don't know, John's Burger House or something. So I only got back to the hotel like 11:30. So yeah, do apologize, man. I was Mavericks, Kribo. Nah, I was in Mitchell's playing, my brother, and in Manenberg. So I was pretty far from Mavericks. So yeah. No, it was awesome time there. Always the 2 days is actually too little for Cape Town. So I think me and Keegan collectively said if we ever go to Cape Town again, at least like 4 days.
Yeah, we somehow always run out of time.
Yeah. But no, it was good, Chad. We spent some time in Manenberg. Then on, I think it was Wednesday night, I sponsored a bride there for the Mitchell's Plain area. I don't know exactly when Mitchell's Plain I was, but it's obviously an area where you won't ever see white people. You'll just see the only two white people that has ever been there is me and Andy. So we made about 300 long sausages. And there was some bread and sauces for the guys, so that was good. And then you also realize how privileged you are to then go back to evening and go and sleep in a 5-star hotel, and that little kind gesture means the world to the people there. So yeah, it's awesome to see, and I'm not grateful for doing that. That is something so small and that we can do, but we are going to do a lot more, and we have a lot more planned for social upliftment in that area. So I'm looking forward to that. Chad, other than that, I hope you guys are good. I know Kigo missed me every night. He said, "Hey bro, I just want to say good night," and I'm like, "Kigo, are you alright?" And it's like, "No, I just feel lost without you here in the office." And I appreciate that, Keegs, for checking in on me and sending me those beautiful WhatsApps. Chad, but it's Friday, last two, next pizza ne. Net Caesar salads. You're safe, Bruce. Safe, Owens. But before we start here, chat, as always, for Amina, Nazam, and all of my other Muslim brothers and sisters, I believe tomorrow is Eid. May it be a blessed one for you guys, spending it with family. And I hope it was a good one, and that spiritually you're uplifted. And yeah, chat, I think before we start here, as always, I'm going to pray. Keegan said he's prayed up. Are you prayed up, Keegs?
It's been I think I did a good job, bro. It's been a good week of some good prayers.
I see the ceiling is still here, chat. How was the prayers? Was it one of those ceiling blockers? Just hits the ceiling and then ricochets off the floor, or Keegs was fire. Okay. Prophet Lazy. Hey, Prophet Lazy. Keegs was great. Keegs, how much did you pay these guys? Because I know these two guys.
Hey, bro. I told you, it's been a rough week, but those prayers got us through it.
Nah, I'm joking. Chad, let's just bow our heads here and let's get ready for the session and let's pray. So, why is this thing jumping around? Let's just quickly pray. Father, I just want to thank you for another week. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for protecting us, guiding us. And we just want to thank you for this week. Thank you for every little blessing that we receive from you. Every little grace we receive from you, and we just want to come with hearts of gratitude to you this morning. And we want to thank you for bearing with us, as we sometimes have little faith, sometimes we've got a lot of faith, but that you are still there, that you are still willing to give us a second chance, even though we fall many times in a day, and that you still bless us and that you still guide us. And I pray for each and every one in this community. I pray for each and everyone that engages with this community, that comes across our path. Lord, I pray that you will hear their prayers. I pray that you will be with them, with their families, their businesses, their workplace. And I also pray that you will be with us, myself, Keegan, the rest of the team here. I pray that you will give us strength further to do what we do, and that your hand of blessing would be in it, Father, that anything we do and everything we do at the end of the day will glorify your name. We pray this and we ask this not because we deserve it, because again, we are not deserving of anything good, but yet your graces and your mercies are new every single day. We pray and ask this in the mighty name of our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. And those that believe it, Chad, can drop an amen.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alrighty, ladies and gents. Let's get straight into what do we have on the deck today.
Clear sailing today, bro.
Clear sailing. I don't know if Kigo touched on the dot plot. No dot plot touches. I'm going to try and keep it brief, very, very brief. And the big thing that came out of it is that the markets are currently pricing no rate cuts for the rest of the year. No rate cuts, and that is quite a big thing. But on the other side of the coin is that if we think about it, we did speak about the dollar pushing out of this range, and we did speak about that potential retest on the other side of the 200 EMA. And that is exactly what is currently happening, is that we found resistance for multiple weeks on the 200 EMA. And before somebody asked, it is exponential moving average. Okay. So you could see there last year, a lot of rejection there, came very close, rejected, again, rejected, consolidated, and then we broke out. Okay. So now we are somewhat to the buy side of the curve on the dollar, but looking at the daily, I'm not necessarily bearish on this, and I want to tell you why. Because if you look at this low right here, that is your structure low, that is your structure high, and this is internal structure. So up until we break this structure low here, I cannot be fully bearish. Okay, so still overall bullish. Looking at what's happening here, got a little bit of an opening gap there, but for this morning, this entire area for me is going to be important. Daily flip, that daily level, so whatever happens around here is going to dictate what we do for the first part of the day here. Okay, so currently in neutral, we're going to need to see some type of breakout either side. Gold, daily time frame, bearish. Okay, I eventually caught my buys last night for 640 pips, and I'm happy with that. So looking at gold, we are bearish. We've displaced quite a bit. We've had basically 6 days of straight downward price action, and a few things to consider here is that on the daily, we've got this previous little breakout area, and you can see that previously we attracted a lot of demand in this area. Okay, you can see there a lot of demand, price trading away. Are we going to get the same type of bounce? I don't know, but currently there is demand in this area, and I'm still looking for buys. Okay, so we could see one more dip during London, and then during NYSE we get the reversal. But as it stands, purely looking for buys. Then in terms of our 4-hour play, we are looking for this. Okay, so this is what we are looking at. Alrighty, so that is gold. US30 and NAS, I'm not going to bore you guys, but yesterday again I mentioned I'm purely looking for buys, pullback plays after the news, but I'm not going to bore you with any of that. Still the same idea, looking for pullbacks to the upside. That will be traded live with Project G. And then DAX. Let's have a look at DAX here. Interesting for me is DAX, you can clearly see we actually rejected that 200 EMA on the backside, daily 200 EMA. We've now basically traded into a major support area. And even though we closed bearish yesterday, there's two positives to take out of this. Is that we've held the yearly pivot, okay? And we've held this demand area right here, okay? So now, I'm still looking for buys. What will I be looking at today is that I'm going to look for some type of opening range to form. And that is literally what I'm going to be looking for. Okay. That is literally all I will be looking for. But that is my analysis. I'm going to let Kigo do his analysis, and then Keeg's going to show them a little bit of what the news site and the dashboard looks like. Or
yeah, we can give them a sneak peek.
So
they won't be able to do much on it, so we can show them a little sneak peek there.
Yeah, they won't find it. So
yeah.
After Kigo's done, I'm going to share with you. I think it's really cool, but I would love your feedback.
Guys, just going to do a quick run through. As I said, obviously it is Friday. We normally like to start Friday pullbacks, but again, not much really different to Chris here at the end of the day. So dollar, as I said there, typical Friday pullbacks. I am still going to be dollar bullish. We had a big sell-off yesterday. Now, two things about this, with I think a lot geopolitically now, for example, I want to say where the dollar is going to come to strength here now, it's going to be a bit of a weirder one for me. But I don't think people are necessarily going to run to gold right now. I think we're going to see the dollar really run it back up. And that's where we potentially really can see the escalation this Friday and this weekend in the war. So I'm still going to be bullish, even though we're having that typical Friday pullback structure and momentum at this point in time. A little bit of a gap to the top side. I always say this to you guys, gaps do need to be closed, but we've seen with the dollar, if we don't close that gap, very good chance you're going to see a volume day to the opposite direction with the pair. So when we have a look at the 5 minute, if you look at it this way, we've made almost these nice little highs here at Asia high. So if this does resist here and fail to go Asia low and close the gap, as I said, if we can run that again, I think that's where you're going to see dollar really start to get into momentum. So just keep that one in mind. Going over to the indices side of things, indices just super choppy and crap price action. I'm still bearish on indices. Yesterday, we obviously no doubt have a massive volume coming off of the daily 200, which I don't expect anything less of, but it obviously just makes everything a little bit more trickier for us. You try have sales right back, and now you're just in a range again. So nothing really happening there. Definitely won't be touching this in London session. We've just seen Asia lows being swept back into the range, so good chance it is going to go for Asia highs. But do I expect it to run now? Probably not. If even it takes Asia highs, I'd say I'd probably park that bus and we'd have to wait until New York session to get any volume over there. Then over to gold. Gold, the very interesting one here for us. Everyone talking about sells. Some people selling and they can't even catch 10 pips. Some people bottom ticking the lows here. I don't know why you would do that. Yeah, guys, I think before people are saying, I'm not talking about our local 10 pippers. We're talking about like the guys who started it. like Chris and myself were talking about it, there's simple things you learn about it. And as much as we say, this is the low of the day, you don't want to necessarily buy here because you're catching a fall enough. But at the same time, you don't sell there. That is where it can reverse. You just can't freaking put money on that. And the same way, you're not going to sell at the low because you've missed the whole move. It is just seriously poor management and poor trading in general to take that type of trade. There's no area I see that is a valid entry and a valid trade to take. So that for me was just, it is shocking, guys. I think we do just need to address that. You can't be following that. But trading
talking
back
about
up,
that bottom tick on the week.
yeah, it is.
All I want to add is, and maybe you know the trader, he's also in a live stream there, is a simple thing. If you take one thing away today, it is, remember this: session highs, session lows, daily highs, daily lows, weekly lows, weekly highs. There's only two things. You're either going to get volume or it's going to reverse. So even if you are a breakout trader, there's no need to have your stop loss 100% of your trading account, because your ego is stopping you from killing the trade. So yeah, if somebody can find that guy and tell him that, that's going to save him a lot of
Because I
heartache.
think to add to it is, and again, the guy loves to preach pure market structure. If you're going to preach market structure, yeah, guys, if we know, okay, cool, markets are bearish, lower lows, lower high. Where, if he is going to make a lower high, where is the possibility of this thing going to? This thing could go all the way back up to there, thank you so much, and it could still be a lower high before it takes that out. Technically, it's a change of bias. So it could still do that before it even decides to go down, if it does continue
But
down.
show where the daily support is. How do you sell on a daily support level? Just look left
Yeah,
there.
there you guys can
Look.
see. It's
Sniper entries to poverty.
it is just shocking if you are taking that, guys.
Yeah.
There's no time frame. It looks any better. It is. I don't know what he was thinking when he did that. I don't know. It's you either taking 500 trades in a day and blowing an account, or you're taking one trade and just your
Blowing
ego's
an
too
account.
big to let the trade go. But yeah, Chad, sorry, that's a little bit of a rant there. But another, to focus here, we are starting to pull back now. I think now where we're seeing gold, as I say, Friday pullbacks, you back above the monthly S1. Very simple for me. It's our key area. If we can get back underneath, then 100% gold can still definitely continue to the downside. But where we definitely could see a little bit of an escalation over this weekend, if gold does hold above this monthly S1, I do believe that's us going back up. So it's going to be interesting for us. I'm personally going to be looking for the buys here today, as long as we are there. If less we can break down, and probably even I'm going to say underneath Asia lows, I will start looking for the sells. But where we stand right now, I'm definitely going to be on the more bullish side of gold. So going to be interesting. Do I trade over here? I don't know. It's a bit of a tough one for me. You're in the middle of the range. Maybe I would definitely like to trade a little bit higher. But just going to have to see what happens. What criteria we get when markets open. What happens today. But it is Friday. As I always say to you guys, I won't force something on a Friday. I really need to like the trade. I need to... Everything needs to be ticket, and it needs to be just perfect AAA grade. Like... You can't not want to take the trade at all, and that's what I'll take on a Friday. So gonna have to just wait a bit and see you there. But that's everything from me. Cribbo, over to you, my brother.
Kigo, appreciate it, chat. Sorry, man. I am tired. I'm not going to say I'm not. I slept 3.5 hours. Almost missed my flight this morning, but I'm here. Alrighty, ladies and gents, let me show you a little bit of what we've been cooking here for you boys and girls. Okay.
Before we get anywhere, guys, we also have to let you know we haven't been playing around. Like, I see other mentors buying old cars and things like this and stuff like that. We also could have now, I said to you guys, we could have bought a supercar. We could have bought a Porsche. We could have bought an R8. But we went and we actually threw 5.2 million rand into our new tech for the team. Because we care about the little guy.
It? We paid 7.2 million.
We care about the little guy.
Why are
we
you
really are for the
downplaying
little guy. So this is all built for you guys. We know the cars will come later, guys.
Okay, this is the new website, ladies and gents. Just going through it, I'm slowly showing you guys. Okay, here's the page. Let's go to the dashboard. This is the CRM you will have. This is your overview, so you'll see your tier here. Partner code, so now you can clearly see if you're linked or not. Your monthly cashbacks that you've received on your trading. Here it will show your trading journey, how many lots you have traded in the month or just in total. This is coming straight from XM. So you'll see your total lots traded, all of the rest. There's going to be weekly outlooks there for you guys as well. The journal, our proprietary journal that we've developed, the Iron 2000 Gold Sentinel. Then, for instance, you'll see your lots traded, your monthly cashbacks that you've received, and then your rewards ladder. So there's obvious benefits as you go up in the ladder. Okay, so that is one thing to consider. Journal, this is where you will get access to the journal as well. So this is where you can set up your access, all of that. Then bots, Gold Sentinel and NAS. Is that what we call it? NAS Striker?
I don't think we said on that, but yeah.
Okay. It also is going to give you, I don't know, that's from your cashbacks indicator. This is where you will be able to get the Iron 2000. Everything is automated. You're going to put in your TradingView username there. The system will check whether you're eligible.
There you go, bro. Jake Sharp with the dono. I like that. I'll join Project G now, Cribbo.
Hey, beautiful. News and events. This is where you can find any top stories coming out. You can get the economic calendar here, high impact, all of that. One thing we are gonna include, this is where the live streams and replays and everything will live. It's not 100% finished yet. 99.9. Outlooks you'll find here. Settings I haven't gone through. Okay, it's just yeah, chat. So that is what we've been working on. So I think, what do you guys think? Let me know, honest opinion. We actually gonna I'm busy grafting on that, but there's gonna be a little AI section. I'm just finalizing some things, but there's gonna be a little AI section.
What if you don't trade with XM? Well, this awesome dashboard will show. It will show everything other than obviously your trade account stuff, because it is purely linked to XM. So if you trade with another broker, you can't link that account then, obviously.
Very cool, Chris W. Looks very good. Appreciate it, guys. And appreciate to Chronica. What a legend. Somebody asking about BTC. Let me quickly do that analysis for you, my brother. So BTC still does not look healthy, okay? And the reason I say it still does not look healthy is even though we're holding the yearly S1, quickly take a visual snapshot of this, or I will actually do a visual snapshot for you. I want to show you something interesting here.
Bro, by the way, did you buy the dip? Or did
dip?
you also sell at the bottom?
Bro, I've been buying the dip. That is the issue.
Did you take another mortgage out on it, bro?
I have, bro. I am the dip currently. So I want you guys to look at this. Okay, this bottom picture is what we currently have. Does this not look eerily similar? Let me just get the ratios right here. Does this not look almost identical? So for that reason, I actually think crypto has got another leg down. If I'm being very honest, I think crypto has got another leg in it. So you can see here the bounce off the low is not bullish at all. So definitely expect another leg down. Okay. Looking at it as it currently stands, this is a fake out back into the range. Alright. Definitely bearish still. So I would expect, depending on how deep this pullback is, because we can do something like this and then something like that. Okay. But for today, still looking buyers for that end of week pullback. Can you switch off the annoying music? Can you get saved, my brother? Can we just pray for you to get saved quickly? Go exclamation prayer, and then we can pray for you as well. Let me know if you want to get saved quick. Okay. Let me get you saved quick. Yeah, I know, Brian. It's looking tough. It is looking tough. Where's that brother? Keeks, you mentioned you're looking for shorts on gold. If so, do you use fab levels 1 hour pressure?
I didn't say I was looking for shorts on gold.
I think Kigo was looking for a break here on gold.
Yo, there's a 10 pipper.
Oh. I want to keep it clean today, Keeks.
Don't say that, bro.
Keeks, I want to keep it clean, bro. I want to keep it clean. Clean. A Cianarello Alrighty, ladies and gents, this is gonna be round 9, and I hope you guys are ready. Kiki, I've got the one and stress about the one.
My brother.
Ladies and gents, this is the official open for round 9. Ding, 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 ding. Ja, niks ultra vir my nie. Niks ultra vir my nie. Okay, ladies and gents, let's lock it in here.
Are you ready? Sorry guys, I was fighting with my Apple earlier, so I'm just busy finishing up my content quickly.
Check your sales there. Let's see. Hey, Jexa, let's see the sales. Jake's putting bread on the table here. Hey, Jakes. I was expecting a yearly subscription, but a monthly is also good. Also good. Hey, Jakezana Manana. It took us 3 years to get this man in. But he's in. He's in. Okay, wait, what chart am I looking at here? Jagzani Manani. Keeks, I'm tired, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Eh?
Bro, you.
I'm not gonna, like, if I take a little trader's nap this afternoon, let there be no judgment. If I take a little cat nap later, there should be no judgment.
No judgment, okay.
No judgment.
No judgment for the cat nap.
A little cat nappy. Keeks are very impersonal, editing videos in front of our guests, so.
Who said that, or is that you?
That was me.
I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna look here at this chart and I'm gonna watch the candle do nothing. And then I'm gonna make a joke to you about 10 pips again.
Wait, what is gold? So that oak is literally gonna blow his account again today.
Yeah.
Ah, bro, that's not a good comeback to YouTube. I actually feel bad for the guy. I had a chat with Brian last night and I said the guy honestly looks down. Like he looks tired, bro.
Bro, here's my thing, eh? He doesn't post about any of his stuff anymore. Do you think he lost everything? You don't see the car anymore. I mean, now he's in a whole new office and everything's gone. That office looks empty, bro.
Shame, I don't know. He's still young, though. No, we can't tell you guys. Because then you guys are gonna... Kaapstad was lekker, my friend. Kaapstad was mooi. Kaapstad. Staan op, staan op. Richard, how are you, my brother? Yeah, but he's copy trading to his main account. Well, that's what he claims. I don't know. It's been a while since we've seen Ed on the stream. Is he still? No, we actually asked Ed to leave because it's just way too good looking and it's making us look bad. So he said he either picks up weight and it weakens out that strong jawline. But yeah, this office is not big enough for two good looking guys. And I'm not talking about Keegan. I'm talking about myself and Ed. Nah, it's in the office, guys. Don't stress. It is there in the office. What do y'all think about buys on gold? I like buys on gold, but I cannot take buys on gold, yeah.
Yeah, we need to wait a bit before we
need to see if I can find a trend line for you guys. A little trendy. A little trendy. A little trendy, trend. Old Dax and Rooney not giving us anything here. Gold. Do that catnap, dude. I need it.
It's only a while till your catnap, bro. You got meetings after this.
I know, but after the meeting. Oh, and then I've got another meeting. Yo.
You're right back into the deep end.
Yo. Let me snap out of it. Here we go.
Have you already done your content for the day?
Sorry, say again.
Sorry.
Oui. Oh, what did you say?
I say, have you done your content for the day?
Content for the day?
Yeah.
I'm actually busy with my content for the day.
Your 3 videos.
Oh, geez, I don't know how I do that. No, I respect that.
The posting.
I respect that. But I told you, I'm more quality over quantity guy.
Yeah, but you can still post 3 and all of them can have quality.
Nah, I'm more a sniper, dude. I'm not a machine gunner.
How did you and Keys find each other?
But it was love at first sight. This is how it was, love at first sight.
I was driving past. I saw this giant there outside KFC.
Lying. He's lying.
So I stuck a chicken wing out the door there, and he just came home with me.
That's the story he tells. He doesn't tell you the story at gym. When I was busy squatting, and he came over and he said, "Hey, my brother." I'm like, "What's up?" And he said, "You're kind of thick for a white guy." I'm like, "What do you mean?" He's like, "Now I'm talking about those glutes. They're quite thick, and I like it." And I said, "Bro, I've never had a strong man come across the room and tell me how thick my glutes are and how good my posture is on my squat." And yeah, things just escalated from there. If you are here for the first time, kindly note, I am married, not to Keegan. And Keegan is actually getting married later in the year. So I sometimes forget some people jump on and they catch like a tail end of the story.
Met at the Glizzy convention. I heard a story that Keeg smoked Kribo in a street race, and out of respect, Kribo took him under his wing. Yeah, he still owes me a 10-second car though till today.
First time I was really gonna think it's two guys trading. Where's your levels for gold, Kigo? You're just gonna wait for the 4-hour play, eh?
4-hour play is nice, but ideally I would have liked to take that little low out first, but obviously we're trading bullish now. So
Yeah, I think that's gonna be the only play for us, yeah.
The only way we get another trade, but I feel that's where we're gonna have to wait, is
EQ.
we pull back, we can find like a support and then have a re-break of that support.
Oh, I check.
But that would be, yeah, so if we just continue, I can only take it a bit higher though.
I don't think there are any futures prop firms left. Somebody said Top Step.
Someone said they
pulled out.
still are allowing
Are they
people
still?
now, but I don't know, I don't trust it anymore.
Yeah, there's no entry here, boys and girls. Girls and boys. No, Alpha Futures does not accept South African clients.
What's the other one also, but they don't take South Africa? Is it Apex?
Apex also doesn't take.
No, it's just say they're big,
it's
but they
literally
don't
Top
take
Step.
South African.
Apex good. I'm
Hold
not
on,
sure. I'm not really. into
Raven
the-
just said he bought earlier. Raven, you still here, my brother? Raven said he just bought earlier. Where did he buy?
Apex.
Did he say Apex?
Can you try going through the JSE?
Just leave the gossip. What gossip are we talking about now?
I don't even know. I think it's in the past. It'll come to the future now. Sorry, Dylan. What do you mean? Can you try going through the JSE?
Bro, you know how fun. Did you see that video of the guy trying to expose Tory trades now?
No.
Bro, best thing I love. The guy goes, if you've ever looked into her course is $6,000, okay, for a futures trading strategy. Then they asked her on his podcast, can you tell us what futures is? Yeah, I don't actually know, eh? Oh, bro. Lol, I saw that. $6,000 for a future strategy. She can't tell you what futures is. Whew. This industry, guys. And then they were showing how literally all the trades she shows you with the profits, and yes, it's a real account, but it's your uncle's account.
Hey. Okay, Dylan. I see what you say. Yeah, I'm not sure, my brother. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yo, it'll be sexy if we get this 4-hour play.
Oh, we were waiting here for it, bro.
Yo, it's gonna be sexy, Chad. It is gonna be a sexy, sexy trade. Doop, 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 doop. Cribsy! Cribbo! Cribble bringing the drizzle. Cribby Drizz. I'm in gold from Daily Pivot. Flippy, you absolute legend. Let me check where's that Daily Pivot. Beautiful. Beautiful, my brother. So there's absolutely no complaints here for you today. Oh my goodness. Flippy. Flippy. Flippazana.
Flippy is styling over there.
Ah, Flippy, beautiful, my brother. Yeah, Flippy, I'm gonna say, if I was you, you're saying you're in from Daily Pivot, okay. I would assume you already break even. And what I'm gonna say is, this is where you're gonna monitor. We're gonna obviously take a trade, yeah. But if you think about it, this is also where we can potentially reverse. So, high probability, two things happening here, as we always say. Either the fake out and then the pullback, then it could come back into the range. Or it could be a very, very big day. So, I would say maybe trail your stop. I don't know how your week is looking in terms of your profit for the week, but this is also the average daily range, and we all know if we hold above this average daily range, we're gonna go 2 standard deviations. So, but you've got your plan. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm just giving an unbiased opinion that you don't know or ask for. Flippy on the drippy. Oh, there we go. Flippo the drippo. I'm in gold from Asia Pivot. BE. And then we've got Etty bringing in the Asia mid-range glizzy here. Oh, Edmander. Beautiful, beautiful. So Edmander is also in somewhere here. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Nee, Edman mag hy voorspoed jou oorrompel, my vriend. Mag hy voorspoed jou tref soos 'n trok.
Hey, bro, we might get the trade, eh?
And now Jaxie is holding Nas from Grubber, hoping for a daily flip. Oh, Jax. Oh, the Jax. Little Grubber. Little grabsy there for Jaxie. Waiting for a daily flip, ladies and gents. Then waiting for maybe previous daily high. Oh, Jaxie boy. Jax on the decks. No, beautiful, beautiful, guys. That is stunning. I love it when the guys take initiative and they don't just wait for a signal. I'm starting to feel better, Keeks.
Hey, you're getting that second win now.
Let's go, let's go.
Second win coming in. I hope you, bro, you need like a fourth win to hit. We still got some COD tonight.
COD? I haven't even downloaded it. How big is it?
Boy.
Is it like a big download?
It is. But to be fair, if you only need Warzone, I don't think it's going to be that big.
Leon Piper. Hopefully gold can treat me well on my birthday. 45-ish. Leon, are you 45, my brother? Ladies and gents, can I please ask that you guys just put your hands together for Leon? Happy birthday, my brother. Leon, may the next life year be a blessed one for you, my brother, and may the prosperity and the blessing absolutely start to become boring as it just hits you from all sides. Here's the playlist, my brother. Kiga, did you see the Pepis on my story?
I must go back and check. I think I did. What Pepis are you running though?
Peppers. I think it's green peppers he's running. Ag goed, maak jou velletjie mooi mooi my bra. Klein peptides skedule. Peptile skedule. Jake said, doesn't look bad, my brother. We still holding Asia lows, so.
Is Jake wanting to jump off the bus already?
Yeah, no, Jake's, come on, my dude. Jake's on the decks, my bro. It's a pleasure, my broski. It is absolute pleasure. All right. Ah, there we go, Jax. Oh, Jaxie. Absolute unit. Krivo Sukai Kwakabien. Kakabien. En dan gaan we die van Kakamas. So I went to my wife this morning, to her office.
Yeah.
Bro, and I was obviously in a rush this morning and I had a coffee or two and I'm like, where Kakamania? And she's like, bro, you don't cack here, you go to your own office. Our office is quite tiny and I had to leave. I couldn't even finish my coffee there. No, true story. I was like, where Kakaman? And she's like, man, not cack here. I love you, but you gotta. I'm like, all right, let me go.
You're not welcome here with that.
I can't even cack there, my bro. To be fair, the office is quite small, and
This is all. It's crazy.
so I'm not able to hold my trade for long. What should I do? Why can't you hold for long, my brother? I want to ask you why. And then we're going to talk about it a little bit more. Because there's obviously something blocking you. So we first need to establish what is blocking you. Fear of losing the profit. Okay, I want to ask you another question. Why do you have the fear of losing the profit? Why do you have fear of losing the profit? Fear loss. Okay. So what I want to suggest, my brother, is that first and foremost, at least go for 1-to-1 risk reward. Okay. Go for a 1-to-1 risk reward. Keep it simple. Once you get to 80% of your target, you go break even. Okay, so once the trade is almost 80% to take profit, then what you can do is you can maybe close out 90% of your position and leave a small trade just for the sake of the data analysis. Leave a small trade to run. Then after 2 or 3 months, see how many times that extra trade that you kept on actually went 1-to-2 risk to reward. And then if you see it hit 70% of the time, or even 60% of the time, then it's definitely worth your while to then say, okay, I'm going to take a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. So you just need to start gaining that confidence and measuring the probability. Just do a little bit of statistical analysis to see what works, what doesn't work. Okay. I hope that makes sense. Does that make sense to you, my brother? Or Chris, why do you think it's a lot of movement in London, Asia in down? Tinas, I don't know what to tell you, my brother. Markets move. I don't overthink it. I just wait for the market to hit a level of interest for me, and then I wait for my entry confirm and I execute. Sometimes you don't need to overthink it. Does that make sense? Arshul Bambri, does that make sense? Who says men can't multitask? Watching the stream, the golf and trading. Not very good at it, but I'm doing it. Hey, at least you're trying, my brother, and we can respect that.
Bro, so close to getting our trade.
Yeah, we are gonna get it, don't stress. Jaxie, let's have a look for you here. Jax, I said close, bro. Look at what you're doing now. Nah, I'm kidding, Jax. I didn't say that. I didn't say that, Jax. Jax on the decks. Okay, beautiful. Harshul. Hope that helps, my brother. Let me refund Project J. Nah, we'll dispute that. Jaxie on the Dexie. Alright, Chad, I actually love this, Keeks. Nice little
Oh,
pause
you
candle.
pop back up again.
Nice little pause candle. We get that break of structure, chat. That's our trade. We get in, we take our profit, and we call it a day. Or not a day, like a morning maybe. What do you rate, Keeks? You happy with that?
Oh, bro, it's a good start. It's a good start.
Rugby. Oh, wait. Oh no. Rugby. Lads, I love it. Rugby. Cribzo. And I would say then maybe use IC markets.
How was your trip, Cribbo?
It was good, my brother. It was good. It was really good. Blessed. It was really, really good. Wow. Look at that reversal.
Cribbo, do you think Volfana could potentially create a smaller account with a lower fee? Yo, what? The lowest is 5. How much lower do you guys want from a 5?
No, we are actually gonna. No, we are busy with it, my brother.
What does a 5k cost?
$50?
15.
50.
50. There's always like a 25% discount code. So 609 Rand. So minus 25%.
Just that is already low, but yeah. Okay. Rugby. Hey, user JZ1 MY4E. Sell what, my brother? What must we sell? TP 4400. Oh my sack. Damn.
3,000 pips like yesterday.
Damn, bro.
Steven, I can see why you are trying to raid our stream and you don't have your own group yet. It makes a lot of sense.
Steve, it's for that exact same reason.
What is the stop loss if TP is 3,000 pips?
It's for that exact reason why this thing is gonna absolutely have a melt up today. That last 2 words in your sentence, like yesterday. Minimum trading days, Clinton, NASDAQ, so you might not have your minimum trading days. Are you talking about Vault Funder or are you talking about prop firms in general? Rugby. Oh, Jexy back in the game. So look at that, Jex. Jexana. Okay, I'm gonna P Keegs and
Such a weird team, bro. They're choosing for EP at the moment, bro.
what team?
The EP side.
I have to P Keegs. I'm gonna hold in the poo though, bro. But
We need you to hold that in, bro.
yeah.
Hey, we need you to hold that one in. Yeah, VF, I thought it might be the trading days. Yeah, you guys have to check your trading days minimum. I know there was no sweep of Asia highs, but there was a bullish ad. Then bearish fair value gap and took a 1 to 150 pips. Okay, beautiful. God, I don't know why he wants to always do it at the office, bro. And of course, as he walks away, now his phone rings. I'm not worried. Yeah, Andre, definitely, bro. Every weekend I free up, and then somehow I get to the weekend and my missus has filled up my weekend, so I'm ready. But yeah, nice brow with some mates tonight. Tomorrow, I have to take the missus for her hair. I obviously got the cleaners at our place, our nanny and that tomorrow, just to come clean. Then I'll probably watch some ruggies, and then probably after that just chill out. And then Sunday, puppy school, church, all the good stuff. But I'm definitely keen for weekend, bro. Just to chill a bit and catch my breath. Opinion on finding next futures. I've never traded on the futures side of things, so I'm not too sure. Like, man, at least if you get to bra once, it helps. Yeah, at least if there's a bra. Chris is giving his tiredness to me now. Someone tried phoning you again. What time is the rugby tomorrow?
What rugby?
ULC. My boys, yeah, he only watches Springboks now. Doesn't even watch club rugby anymore. Oh, Bulls are tonight. Okay, Bulls Cardiff tonight.
Chris go poo at home. Nah, bro. We poo here in this office.
Stormers are Sunday, Sharks tomorrow. Sharks Munster will be a good game.
Jazzy, I'm a piano. Deep house. Yeah, that catnap is gonna be. Choo 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 choo.
Bro, how funny is that? So that neighbor that wanted to report us, the thing got approved now.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Neighbor can go fly kite. Sharks all the way. Hey. Bro, what club side do you support?
Me?
Yes.
No, I support rugby.
Don't be that guy, bro.
No, I don't watch rugby, bro. I only watch the Springboks.
Are you okay?
I just watch the No, I haven't really watched. Obviously, I was a cheetah man back in my day.
Yo, okay, I understand now. Then
Yeah,
that's
you
tough.
understand it.
That's-
Trauma, many years of trauma.
That's tough.
But we did produce the greatest coach of all time.
Boys now go to Curry Cup and they're getting smashed by Boerland Cavaliers and
Really?
yeah, bro.
Yes, bro. They're not in URC anymore.
Nah.
They get relegated.
I don't even know how they're in the Challenger Cup as well. I don't even know how they're still in that.
Yes, bro. And the Cheetah was it's sad, bro. The Cheetah was.
If Chris isn't a Viepia, then the Lord of the Rings is a myth.
Did he think I was a Viepia? I like Viepia. Weer probeer om die karike. I'm joking, man. I'm joking. I didn't say weer probeer.
Matt, it's fine, bro. I'll give it to you guys. That was a little bit of trauma for us. I will give it to you. But at the end of the day, there's still the standings. And we are still very, very, very high above you guys. We also are still the only one to have won the URC. Chris, jy weet jy's 'n boel met hom, dis wat dit is.
Alhoewel ek hier van die vloer af weet, die Andre is ek nie 'n bul nie. Wait, I was still gonna send you that, Andre. Wait, let me find it. Yes, the.
Fair play, I'll keep quiet. Nah, but I'll give it to you guys. It was. I always say, I think anyone that ever played rugby will also understand your local derbies is always. Those are the big ones. And I'll give it to the boys. You beat us home and away this year. So, no, well done to them. The Stormers definitely rose up. I definitely think, I mean, the Sharks rose up, but I definitely think the Sharks are doing a lot better under JP Peterson. Way better.
Is Mona on stream? Monza. Dog, ek moet vir iets sê. Let me first see if he's here. Andre, ek het nie my vriend. Ek het nog steeds 86 WhatsApps. Bro. What is the guy's name? Yes, Andre, nou in goeie fashion sal ek dit nie kry nie.
Sure, typical.
Nog. Andrushka. What's the guy? Wait.
Close Nas.
He's that.
Hey, Matt, but okay, bro, you can't go into that now. Because if you had to think of it, you guys stole half of our team. You guys, we can start with the big ones. You guys have Bongi, you guys have Eben, you guys have Sia. We can go to the back line. I mean, Adwell originally a VPO boy. Like, sure. I mean, even the boogeyman, a VPO boy.
Wait, Valley, Volley. Wait, I want to find it now, Andrea. My brain is just going through the motions here to track that. we go. Okay, VSM1.
Nah, but him was a step too far. Here's what Joey spent countless weekends with him on my mate's farm. Hey. Now we wish him the best, my brother. Let's hopefully he does well. We have all the players but not performed. Definitely doing better than the JP though. Yeah, I think that's always been the weird thing about the Sharks. You guys basically have 80% of the Springbok team, yet you guys are doing so poorly. But yeah, JP's obviously I think got that culture back in them, and you can see that following through into the play now. So they're definitely doing better.
Oh, he said Andre, wacht gou. Okay, daar sit hy so snaaks nie, maar ek het het geloof. Hou gevast hier so. Ek gaan het so nou op die screen ook sit. Wait, hier sien ek al die video's nou. Yes, die wacht gou. Keeks, wait. Let me pause, yeah. Oh, this was beautiful.
Bal. Die bal. So iedereen is terug. What is this?
It's a boat.
Okay, I meant the bal.
Oh, global. It's what's so good here.
It's so good.
Okay, I didn't mean the bal. I meant, can you bring me my check?
Oh, give him the check. Okay, can I just pay my tab? Okay. Why didn't you just say so? Nee! Jy eet nie van die vloer af nie.
Bully boys, more than you expect.
Nou te.
Ek het jou vir jou. Kry 'n bietjie olie vir daai snorretjie van jou.
Kry 'n bietjie olie vir daai snorretjie. Yeah. I enjoyed it. Okay, you didn't enjoy it, Keys, but you can't even speak Afrikaans, bro. So I'm not so I'm not even judging you. Oh, nee. 'n Bil eet die van die vloer af. Yes, die bil. Ja, die blue bil. Anyways. If you don't like it, forget about it. I'm gonna set a alert to your keys in the next 7 minutes. I need to quickly run out. Here we go. Chris, that's what I meant in the Project G chat. We bearish, we grab the pullback. Might have a higher probability. No, it can, 100%. But we did not take out Asia highs or the daily high. So you see how we just came shy. So even with that, I wouldn't look at it. But here's the thing, Dwayne. Don't be scared to take the trade. Okay. I know exactly what you're looking at. And I want you to not be scared to take the trades, because within Project G there's a few strategies and a few frameworks, and you need to find one that resonates with you and trade that. So for me, there's one setup that I'm looking for, and that's that 4-hour play. So yo, Andre, is your keyboard stikkend, chomma? Is hele Roy's flou grappie Vrydag en but ja, Dwayne, al vat jy dit sê maar op 'n ander account en jy vat bietjie minder risiko, vat daai trades as jy hulle sien. Jy het dit gecall vanoggend en jy moes dit gevat het. Jy het dit gecall. So moenie bang wees om jouself te back nie. Dit is grootendeels ook waarmee wat ons besig is met Project G. Ek weet nie, is Dwayne, hoe kon ek kyk, Dwayne is Afrikaans. Dwayne is Afrikaans, my vriend. Yes, ek slat sommer oor die Afrikaans toe, asof Dwayne is Afrikaans, my vriend. What language are you speaking? Sounds like Lord Alrin. Yeah, it's Alvin. Alvin. Ja, ek is. Hey, met chom. Jy sien ek weet dit goed. Nee, dis ek wil jy moet selfvertroue ook opbou. Laat jy nie dis great om te vra 100%, maar ek wil hê jy moet even my bias challenge. En jy moet op die punt kom wat jy sê, fuck it, ek gaan 'n shot vat hier. En jy het jou trade deurgaan, jy het jou analysis gedoen en dan kap jy hom. En jy vat verantwoording vir hom en jy kan groot bal in die chart flex wees, want jy het jouself geback. So Keegan weet eers wat ons bedoel het met groot bal wees nie, maar hy is nog steeds 'n lekker ou.
Lekker ou is know what it's about, bro.
Do you know what I meant by?
No. I'm focused on this oak. Absolutely blowing his account right now, bro. I wasn't really listening to you, to be honest.
Be a lekker ou. Okay, Keegs, I'm gonna have to be a lekker ou and go. Chad, ja, for me, dankie Chris.
Basically, we can wrap it up. I'm not going to take something now. We're far from the intro again.
Yeah, Chad, if you want to trade with us this afternoon, you can join Project G. Be like checks. Get in the max. No, I'm joking. All right, ladies and gents. I will see YouTube. We'll see you on Monday. Project G. We'll see you guys this afternoon for the last session.
There we go.
Kigo, thank you so much for joining. Thank you for holding the fort while I was away, Chad. And we will see you guys Monday.
That's it.
Peace and love, baby.
Cool. Cheers, Chad.
Into the of the tunnel. At the end of the tunnel, I can see at the end of the tunnel. No matter what comes my way, I know I'll make it through another day. I can see the light, yeah. Through the darkness, I can see the light. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. I can see the light.
Though this world may harm me, I'll still walk through the fires calmly. See, I know what God put in me is way more than what the world puts on me. See, my life is a story, one that will keep on showing. Not half full or half empty, my cup is one that is overflowing. I can see the light, yeah.
I can see the light. I can see it. I can see the light. I can see it. I can see the light. I can see it. I can see the light. I can see it. At the end of the tunnel, I can see the light. At the end of the tunnel, I can see the light. At the end of the tunnel, I can see the light. At the end of the tunnel. At the end of the tunnel, at the end of the tunnel, at the end of the tunnel, at the end of the tunnel.
I'm feeling fresh up on the morning, sunshine for glory. I lift my hands up to the sky, I give them praise. Sunday morning, once again, I'm feeling fresh top of the morning, searching for glory, searching for glory. I lift my hands up to the sky, I give them praise. Stay